Hello, people. I just now did a recording and then I realized that it's not up to the mark, so I'm recording it again. So I just have to say that there's this movie called Bawaal that was released on Friday, and it stars Varun, Dhawan, and Jahnvi Kapoor. And this film needs to be watched simply since it's so unique that the second half of the film, essentially, we are seeing these World War II memorial sites. It's part of this whole journey that this couple undertakes. And honestly, the script is very flimsy, but it's almost as if they are trying to justify why they are taking us across the audience. We get to see Europe in terms of these places like Normandy and generally the Annie Frank Museum. So I think this film is very educational in that sense. So I would I would say it's a must watch. So do try and catch it, people. It's called Bawaal and you can see it on Amazon Prime. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.